This is Epson Workforce WF3820. I received a question. Someone asked how to reset this printer. Maybe you move home to a different place or you change Wi-Fi network. What you need to do is you need to restore factory default for this printer. Basically, you need to reset this printer so that you can start afresh to reconnect this printer. So this printer is connected to my office network. What I want to do now is to show you how to reset this printer. And if you reset this printer to factory default, then it will no longer be connected to the network. If you check here now, it will show you that this printer is connected to a network. Okay, it will show you the network that is connected. But now what we want to do is for us to reset this printer. So from the touch screen, for the main menu, then you need to go to settings, select the setting, then you need to scroll down to restore default settings. Select on it. It will show you network settings, copy settings, scan setting, fax setting. Then you see clear all data setting. So you need to select clear all data setting. Basically, copy setting, scan setting, or fax setting. So you need to clear all data settings so that you restore everything back to factory default. Select restore all data setting. So we show you clear all data and restore default setting. It may take several minutes. Continue. Yes or no. Select yes. Here we go. Restoring default. Setting restore. Shows us now setting restore. Then you go back and you can see the Wi-Fi is no longer connected. The printer is no longer connected to Wi-Fi network. So this is exactly how this works. Thank you very much indeed. This is how this works. If you want to connect this printer again, then you need to go ahead and